Girls, what's going on? Omaya Zein here. I'm trying to do some sort of tutorial. Let me think which one I'm gonna do, makeup or hijab. I'm thirsty. Yeah, that's a green drink right there. So we're doing today a tutorial, as you can tell. I'm trying to look. Oh, look at this egg-shaped thing. We're gonna use this contour makeup. We're just gonna pat it all over. And keep putting it under the eye here. Hit the whole face. Don't forget about that big forehead of mine. Gotta go there as well. And just keep patting. Oh, look at this product. I bought this. And we're just gonna keep brushing it. As you can tell, the whole face, the chin, the yeah, just the whole face. Just make sure you cover it all up and get all the spots. Forehead again here, and this right here. This is what I call a waste of money. Got different colors. Probably only two colors I'm ever gonna use, and the rest are just there for decoration. Over here, the eyelids, and don't miss a spot. We're gonna keep brushing over the eyelids here. You know, gotta make sure you cover over them eyelids with this different color. Always take a look at what you're doing while you're doing it because you don't want to look like a hot mess. Yeah, so a little bit more over here, the eyelids. Let me take a look at myself. Okay, hijab on fleek. Let me take a deep breath. A little bit more, more. Whoa, damn! I'm staring hard like that at. And just keep brushing. It's like a work of art. Just under, over, even inside the eye. Sometimes it's okay. So looking at myself right now, I'm liking the colors. This right here is I think mascara. It looks like a little pencil. We're using it. We're gonna line it up. This is what I call the cat tail at the end because it's kind of pointy. I've seen a few girls mess this up, so don't focus and just make sure. Oh بنات بصوا بقى وشي عامل ازاي يا حلاوتك. We're gonna do a little bit. You see my cat tail here on the right side. Just kind of keep working it. I think I messed up on the left, so I gotta go back and fix that. But hey, this is my face. I'm pointing at my eyebrows. Hey, raise them up. Eyebrows again, brushing them. Gotta keep brushing underneath here. You don't want the over and under not looking even because you just don't want that. You want to look like you have two even eyebrows. I've seen a few girls look like one is missing compared to the other, so gotta not make that happen with myself here. Hijab. Oh shit! Look at this. The eyelashes, eyelashes sculpt. Again, a few colors here. As you can tell, I only use two. The other ones are just there. We're gonna use this brush. Now brush here, the cheeks. This is where you see the line, the separation between two different colors. It's kind of like you're wearing two faces. Dark color over, under, under the top of the hair cap. A little bit more over, over again here. Down neck area, and I'm not gonna lie, this is tiring right now. I'm kind of getting tired. Let me get. This is worse than cardio. Okay, another one set of here of waste of money, but we're just using a few colors. Okay, blush, blend. Now we're looking like it's almost there. Let me fix my hijab here. Make sure the cap is on. I wonder what Muhammad's doing. Um, here let me بصوا ده بنات ده البرودكت ده جميل جدا شايفه انا استخدمته كله. You can even see the mirror from inside because of how much I used it. We're gonna use more of brushing, but now on the top of the cheek because we only did the middle and the bottom, and then we're using this thing that the cap clearly got broken off to put powder somewhere on top of the cheek. We just did top of the cheek like 6 times, but we'll do a little bit more. Top again, a little bit more top, but with a different color, I think. This is what gives it that little Oscar shiny trophy looking look. Hit that chin. Oh, I forgot. What did you forget? I forgot. Oh, the color. See, I told you guys I only used two, so I only used one the first time. Get under the nose. Not sure why anyone does this, but okay. We're gonna do a little bit more on top of the nose to give it that pointy look. Don't forget to do the other side as well. You don't want to do one side and forget about the other side. You'll look kind of off. Then we're just gonna brush a little bit more. We're blending. Hit the top of the nose, under the eyes, over the eyes, inside the eye. This right here is Kendall Jenner. We're gonna do the lip lining to line our lips. Make sure you hit that pencil over the top, over and over again and again, and just be precise. Now you have to look in the mirror and do that look to make sure it's right. And under, over. Now I'm trying to figure out what I should do next. Should I just stop? Oh no, we'll just add a little bit more of Kindle over the top. Okay. We're almost there, as you can tell. We got the coloring going on a bit more here. Oh, who the hell's walking right behind me there? Huh, gotta check that afterwards. So color a bit a little more. We're almost done. And this is my final look, girls. Look at me. Okay, hijab here. Let me show you left, right. You gotta look to the right with attitude. You know, that's what it gives it. Man, when is this drink gonna be done? Okay, salam alaikum, girls. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe.